Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be sharing with you the major puzzle Durov for today, being 20th of September 2024. So let's get into it. So like I always say, the most important thing is placing the headshot on the tiles in the correct order. If you miss the order, you miss the 5,000 Durov points for today. The first one for today is going to be 3. The second one is going to be 5. The fourth one is going to be 1. Okay, so far we've been able to get 3, 5, 1. Don't forget 3, 5, 1. So how do you do it? All you need to do is count the tiles: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the whole total blocks here is 16. 6, 4, 4 times 4 times 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, 16. So the last one for today is going to be 1. So let's check it out and see how it goes. So we have the 5,000 major points for today, being September 20th. Please, if you find this video helpful in any way, please subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell so that when I upload these videos and make these videos, you'll be the first to get them. And also, leave me your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you very much for staying with me on this. I will see you on the next. Bye.